Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super simple look that is both glam or somewhat dramatic for the eyes, and yet super easy and super fast to do and just get out the door. If you're interested in seeing how to get this look, just keep watching.
Alright, first off, we're going to start with the shade Coco Taxi. And it's kind of this mustardy yellow shade. I love this shade. I'm going to put this in my transition. And I'm going to wipe that back and forth in windshield wiper motions to make the transition shade where the crease is. You can feel between the indent and the brow bone. Then I'm going to take a clean brush. This is the Alamar Cosmetics, one of their brushes. And then just kind of clean up the top area so I don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm going in with the shade Cafcito. And this is a dark brown. I love this brown. It's so intense. And I'm going to deepen up the outer edge of my eye with this. I'm kind of taking about the outer third of the lid and I'm filling it with that brown. And I'm just going under the crease right now, and I will blend it in a minute. Right now I'm just filling that little triangle type area. Now I'm going to take my transition brush and kind of blend out that area in between. So I'm blending the line of the Cafcito shade into the Coco Taxi shade. And you'll have to forgive me, I can't say those names worth anything. I'm basically making it up. Now I'm going to go in with the shade, oh man, I cannot pronounce this. It's like I can't even remember. I'll put a little caption at the bottom that tells you what shade it is. I'm just grabbing that with my finger and I'm applying it to the other 2/3 of my lid and blending it a little bit up next to the darker brown shade. And then I'm just making sure that my lid is just this radiant, nice color. I love, love, love this palette. These shades are so intense, so pigmented, and their shimmer shades are incredibly metallic. I'm going back into the Cafcito shade and I'm just blending that area, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line, kind of to act as eyeliner. Without even having eyeliner, I'm just going to use that to deepen out the outer edges of my eye, clear into about 3/4 of the lower lash line. I'm going to blend it up with the brown above. It's the same brown, so I'm just blending to make sure they go together seamlessly instead of having any lines. You got to make sure you blend, 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 blend. Now I'm going to go in with the Mary Kay. This is a primer. It has SPF 15. I love this primer. So, so good. I'm going to apply it with a brush on my face in circular motions. It helps give this awesome airbrushed finish. It fills your pores, so you get this really great poreless look. Super, super, super awesome finish, especially when you apply it with a brush in circular motions. When you apply in this specific way, it helps you fill the pore from 360 degrees instead of just from one direction. So you get this great airbrushed finish. I'm going in with the Perfecting Concealer by Mary Kay as well. I'm putting this on my under eyes. They're looking a little rough. And I'm not going to go in with a ton of foundation. So I'm just kind of like touching up the areas I want a little bit of brightness. So definitely my under eyes make me look a little bit more awake. And then I'll apply it on any blemishes, like these two beauties right here. And then I'm going to apply it anywhere else I feel I need it, and just kind of fill those in so I look like I have a pretty normal complexion without having to go super all out and glam with a full complexion. This is what I do. Like, I love my eyes to still be a statement, but sometimes I'm like, I don't want to take the time to put all my blush and bronzer and all those things on. And so this is what I do on days where I'm like, I just want pretty eyes and a simple complexion. And so I'm just like basically covering the basics. I like to cover my nose to make sure you can't see any any imperfections, pores, blackheads, stuff like that. And then I just move it anywhere I feel I need a little bit of brightening. Now I'm going to go in with mascara. This is the Benefits. Oh, what is this called? Benefit They're Real Mascara. And I'm just going to apply that in coats all over my lashes. This is a tiny sample wand, so it was a little harder to apply all over my lashes. And so I'm just getting those coats on, and I'll be almost finished in just a minute. This is the final eye look, and really basically all I'm going to do to my face. So you can see that I don't have a bunch of foundation on, but I don't look too bad. It's a natural foundation finish because I only have concealer on and primer to cover up those imperfections. And then I have nice pretty eyes.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. All right, is it in focus? Am I in focus?